Meaning of electromagnet.
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 Electromagnet. An electromagnet is a type of magnet that is created when an electric current flows through a coil of wire. The wire is usually wound around a core made of iron, which becomes magnetized when the current flows through it. This causes the electromagnet to generate a magnetic field that can attract or repel nearby objects. Electromagnets are used in a variety of applications, including electric motors, generators, and magnetic locks. They can also be used for lifting heavy objects, powering MRI machines, and creating magnetic fields for scientific experiments.